Hey, what's up guys? Kamusta? Today we have a phone-in question from user Marie Chris Kinko. O, di ba? Sabi ni Marie, kaya may tanong po ako, pwede po ba yung internet sa akin yung pinakamalakas? O, di ba? So basically, she's asking, nagpabebe lang, she's asking how to make her internet connection faster, but specifically just her own device. So, for example, you won't be able to watch YouTube because someone else is downloading a movie and they're eating up most of your internet connection. So, we can actually do that using a computer. We can actually limit the internet connection of other users in your Wi Fi network. So, to start off, you need to install an app called SelfishNet. To download SelfishNet, just type in tiny.cc slash lintech underscore selfishnet. Hit enter and just download the file and hit on save and click OK. And once you've downloaded the file, you will get this RAR file. And first, try right clicking it and click extract here. But if you don't have WinRAR, you won't get this button here, which is extract here. So try downloading WinRAR first. So just Google download WinRAR, click the first result, and download the program and install it to your computer. Afterwards, you should be able now to right click and extract the files from the WinRAR file. And afterwards, open the extracted folder, which is here, and install. You'll see two folders and one installer, which is the installer for WinPcap. So just install WinPickup. I've already installed this in advance. So, well, for demonstration purposes, I'll click OK and show you how to install it. So just click Next, Agree, automatically start, install. This error is just because I've already installed the software, but if first time nyo mag-install nitong WinPickup, it shouldn't give this error. So just click Ignore if you get this error. And let it finish. And there. Click Finish. And it should be installed by now. So afterwards, if you're on Windows XP, open this folder and right click here and run as administrator. Look for the selfish.exe. But like me, I'm using Windows 10, so open the first folder, selfish win 7. This is for Windows 7 and Windows 10. Okay, now once you're inside the folder, right click selfishnet and click run as administrator. Click yes if you get asked, and next just click OK. Okay, now we're inside SelfishNet. Now step 1 is click network discovery. This will show the other devices or gadgets that are connected to our network. So malalaman natin anong gadget yung malakas kumain ng internet. Then next, click start redirecting or spoofing. Now, as you can see here, ayan ito yung dalawang gadgets other than our PC. Actually, we have 3 gadgets connected to our network. So, itong gamit natin ngayon yung PC. Hindi ako nag-YouTube or wala akong ibang dina-download. So, as you can see, 0 download and 0 upload. So, right now, yung ibang gadgets na connected sa Wi-Fi network natin, ayan may mga ina-upload sila. So, here we have download cap and upload cap. Ito yung nagsasabi how much bandwidth or how much speed they can use. So, gaano kabilis or gaano kabagal yung internet na pwedeng gamitin ng iba-ibang devices. So, for example, I will limit the other devices. 0 means unlimited connection. So, for example, i-limit ko tong other devices na naggumagamit ng internet speed natin, ng Wi-Fi natin. And as you can see, sometimes it reaches 30, this one. 4, right now 10, 13, 15, 40. So, lilimit natin yung connection niya. So, gagawin natin, for demonstration purposes, gawin natin 2 kilobytes per second. Yan, sobrang bagal niyan. Yan. Let's see if umangat pa siya. There we go. As you can see, limited na siya sa upload tsaka download speed na 2 kilobytes per second. Ayun, hindi na siya lumalampas. So that's how you can make the other gadgets in your network use less of the internet connection. That way, you can allocate more internet connection for yourself. Pero, what if hindi itong PC or hindi itong computer yung ginagamit ko sa pang-internet? Isa dito sa gadgets dito yung ginagamit ko sa pag-internet. Paano ko malalaman alin dito yung gadget ko? Kunwari, alin ba dito yung laptop ko or alin ba dito yung cellphone ko? Okay, so para malaman natin, we will use the MAC address. Ito yung mga MAC address. Yan yung mga ID. For example, ID ng mga gadgets natin yan na hindi yan nagbabago. Permanent yan. So, for example, sa Windows, paano ko malalaman ano yung MAC address ko? So, in Windows, click Start and type nyo lang command prompt. Yan. Click nyo lang yan. Okay. And then, once you're inside command prompt, type nyo lang ipconfig/all. And then, click enter. After you click enter, may lalabas na listahan. You will see something like this. And you should look for wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. And then from there, you can see your physical address. This is your MAC address. Now, looking here, our MAC address is 74DD-more letters. So, going back to selfish.net, we can see that MAC address here is 74, which is correct. This is our PC, and this is where we opened up the command prompt to check which one is our MAC address. So, yeah, that's how you look for your MAC address in Windows. And what if I'm using an iPhone? How do I know what's my MAC address? So, for iPhone, go to Settings and click General. And then in General, click About. Afterwards, you will see a Wi-Fi address. This is your MAC address. So for here, the Wi-Fi address is ABCDEF. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, that's just a demo Wi-Fi address. Now, what if I'm using Android naman? So, for Android users, ganun din, go to Settings, click About Phone, click Status, and then, click nyo lang, ito, Wi-Fi MAC address. So here you can see that my Wi-Fi MAC address is C0, C9, C0 something. So, going back to selfish.net, ito yung Android ko, C0. This is my Android device. So, minimize lang natin iba. So, now that I know this is my cellphone at ito yung gagamitin ko for internet, gusto ko unlimited yung speed dito, tas mabagal yung iba. So, to do that, simply just enter here 0 and leave the other gadgets to 2 or maybe 10 depending on your internet connection. And that's it. Leave nyo lang siya nakaganyan. As you can see, for example, I'll be browsing internet in my cell phone right now. And as you can see, tumataas siya, lumalampas siya 2. And now it's reaching 35, 10, 11, 17. So I'm now able to use more of my bandwidth, my internet Wi-Fi connection compared to the other gadgets in my network. Alright guys, I hope natulungan natin si Marie. Thank you for watching. I hope we were able to help Marie with her problem, and by now she should be able to make her internet connection faster and slow down the internet connection of the other gadgets in their Wi-Fi network. Okay, please like if I was able to help, and click subscribe if you want more tips in the future. Alright guys, see you in the next video, only here on Lintech.